Good morning, Mr. Roy.
Good morning.
How
you
we doing?
doing?
I'm wonderful.
All right. Hanging in there.
They rejected that zone, so we took a short here. We're going to leave that stop right above the. Actually, we're going to move it up to the zone right there. If it takes us out, takes us out. So
I don't hate it.
Look at Tide.
You gonna make me hate it?
Yeah, when you look at Tide, you probably gonna hate it. Well, the calls are going down too, but puts drop drastically.
Mm.
I just told Roy I hate shorting at these lows, but I did tell myself if it hit that 30, that's the top of the gap. So we had a gap fill this morning from the other day. And I said if it hit back up there again, I was going to take a short. If it showed any weakness there, well, I mean, you're looking at a weakness off that area right now. So we'll see if that holds up. I took it in both. Took it in the Take Profit Trader Pro accounts, and I took it in here. So we'll see. A little better entry on Take Profit Trader. But so far, it's got to keep rejecting here. If it goes back above it, I might be screwed.
Yeah, that tide shifted pretty quick, didn't it?
It did, but the calls aren't doing anything.
Yeah. Could be a little bit of a fake out.
CBD came back to 44. Now it's negative 49.
Mm.
So it's not running up really now. Kind of hit a plateau and kind of started going back down again. Back to negative 5,000. But bouncing between negative 49 and negative 5. If these put guys can get back in there again, they can push this thing back down and this trade to be okay. I got my take profit on Take Profit Trader at 1750 and then 16 here. You got 250 orders sitting at 5,700 that we need to watch out for.
Mm.
You got a bunch up around 3752 is the problem. All right, looks like your puts are starting to climb back up a little bit here, and your calls are, well, they're kind of moving in unison together right now. So let me update make sure we're on the most updated one. Yep. Holdings is a different story. I don't like that volume when it's doing on Tide. It's kind of going back toward that zero line.
Yeah.
Well, there's those orders. They moved up from 3750, so this thing's going to take me out on both of them, looks like. Unless we get a hard rejection here.
Buyers definitely stepped in.
Yeah, I wanted to move. Oh crap! I wanted to move that up to 4-1. That's probably going to could bite me in the butt there. So far, well,
Wow.
took a L in both of them really quick there. Don't like that. And I just don't think you can enter a short right back here, so you got to wait, see what happens. If we break the zone again, I will re-enter a short, but if not, we'll just chill out here for a minute.
Forgot to share the channel. Dun dun dun.
Tide is calls are ripping right now, though. Calls are ripping.
So VWAP 57.46.
Yeah, you got anchor VWAP at. We're actually above anchor VWAP now. It's at 32. At 32, your put premiums are turning back. Let's see what we do here. I said if it did it, I was going to do it. I did it. So, see if it's going to be really good or really bad. No in between here. Now it's going to bounce back up into it. It did show weakness up there at the 21, though. I do like that.
No, we are battling the bottom of the zone.
If we can get a close here, we got a little time left. If we can close below that 8 right there, that's actually a good sign. Ifs. It's fighting it right now. Fighting it right now. Yep, fighting back up. CVD is -4. Ooh, oh
Whoa.
Shit.
The hell was that?
Was. We were in New Mexico. We were negotiating. We were at the negotiation table with U.S. Commerce Secretary for auto parts made in Mexico. So, well, there you go, boys and girls. Yep.
Tide is suggesting calls.
Calls are ripping. Volume's ripping.
Yeah. What's CVD?
CVD is now. CVD is. Hold on, I got. We had so much data, my shit froze for a second here. It's at -2,000. Negative 2,000. If we break that 50, look out.
Yeah, data in 4 minutes. I don't know if it matters. So.
If it's anything good, it could rip this fucker. I'm not saying that anything bad or flat would do anything, but I'm saying if you get any kind of positive, we could rip possibly to, you got 62.50 and you got 70 on the board. Just go on and break it down 50. Let's get a close up there. Let's get that 200 test, which is 61, which you have a few orders sitting there right above it. CBD is negative 1,800 now. Top of our zones around that 70 level, where you got orders sitting there too. And then I see 75 on the horizon there with orders sitting there. That's been a hellacious move off that gap fill.
Yeah, it is.
That's why I hate to short down lows, because you get these kind of moves. Auto parts won't be changed on every border crossing. Okay. Macron on Trump tariffs, Europeans will respond by reciprocating. I'm going to need people to shut up. That would be the best thing I could have happen right now. Give me a move and everybody to shut their mouth. I don't like how it's struggling here at this 50. Now, saying that, I'm not shorting here at the 50. But we get a good break here, which it's struggling to do. So you could get a decent pullback here. And then we could just chop around in this damn zone all day. Which is no bueno for us. No bueno.
No, we don't like that.
Unless we can figure out the range, then we just play the tops and bottoms. But you kind of asking for trouble by doing that. But you can make some good money if you catch it right. We got 18 seconds. I would love this close right above this 50, but looks like it's going to close right below it. I don't know. 10 seconds, we tend to get some volume in. How about right above it? I'm talking about right above it. When this next candle's formed, it's going to be right on top of it.
Close over the 50.
We got one. Now we got this 200 to go through. 65, there's a ton of orders sitting there. Like
Pending home sales 2% up. Forecast was 1%. Previous was negative 0.4 or 4.6.
Well, let's see if my theory holds weight. What's up, Roy? That's not getting anybody to watch us or open anymore. What's up with that? you guys don't watch. We don't show. We're not doing it just for our entertainment. Me and Roy can do this by ourselves.
Yeah. Pushing it up to the 200. It's right now at the 50 on the 10.
I did take a long on take profit trader. I took 2 L's on them, so we're working back. We're $200 up right this second on this trade with, the 5 MES, nothing crazy. But I did move my stop up a little tighter, so it might take me out here if we get any kind of pullback. But I guaranteed $100 back on that side. And then I don't like what puts are doing now. What are puts doing? Calls are still ripping. We're going to take a long down here. Let's see if it. Oh, there. I really wanted a little more than that, but let's see what we're going to put this take profit at. So I think I'm going to put it up here at this 80 level. Well, if we do there, we might as well get our 200, right?
Amen.
We could always trail it up. Calls, look, puts are going up. Calls are just ripping. Volume's going higher. CVD is negative 1,700 now. It's kind of chilling here. I would really love for CVD to turn positive, and that would make me feel really good. But yeah, I should have moved that order down some, but it's all right. Negative 1,900 CVD. It's probably fixing to take me out of the take profit trader trade, and I'll probably re-enter it. It does. I don't like what puts are doing right now, though, but I still like volume's kind of curving a little here. That could be a sign. Took me out of take profit trader. We are going to re-enter though. I'll see if we can just get a couple $100 at a time. That'd be great. A lot of orders sitting at 62 to 65.
Yeah, 62 is at 200. So not a surprise there.
Yeah. Let's see, what was our pre-market high? 73. 73, 73.25 or so. Okay. Well, puts are ripping now. New York Met posted record revenue of $261 million. Oh boy, knows how to make money, don't he?
Mm-hmm.
Unless he's shorting GameStop back in the day. Hell, he's pretty much the one that bailed out all the other
firms,
wasn't he? Did he actually short him, or was he just the one that bailed everybody out?
Arms of his like the firms kind of under his thumb shorted him.
Gotcha.
And so then he was able to basically just scoop up majority of the firms because of their bad play. So basically get more ownership of it.
Smart man knows how to make money, don't he? I know.
Yeah, billionaire game, man. They're a different level of shark.
I remember when I was a kid, the saying was always, it takes money to make money. And
Mm-hmm.
you're like, oh, I can make money. I can make just as much money without it. No.
No.
If I'm betting $100, you're betting $1 million, and I make 1%, you make 1%. I didn't make shit. You made a lot.
Yeah, exactly.
You get older and you realize shit like that. You're like, oh, makes sense.
Yeah. This is the longest 10-minute candle. It's not a great looking 5-minute candle here. It's holding a 50 for now, but
it's not a good looking 10-minute candle either.
now general market has puts rising, calls dropping, but SPY has calls rising and puts slightly dropping.
Was you got your put slightly rising again. It didn't take much to turn it. Not a good sign here, bro. Not a good sign. Breaking the 50 back down is not good for me. Well, today might not be my day. Might not be my day, Roy. Might not be my day. And puts ripping again. Volume's my biggest concern now. It's coming back down. I don't like to see that. I need volume to turn back up here. Calls just turned up, which is a good thing, but can we get volume to go with it? I hate it when calls and puts run together.
Yeah.
This damn thing, if it closed right on the 50 this time, that's actually if it can get any continuation, that's a bullish candle. But let's see. It's not getting any continuation on the move. Yet. Rip this bitch new all high. Let's go to fucking 6,000.
Hey, let's do it.
Or just
I gotta work. Yeah. Or just die.
I don't like to die because that's going to have me a bad day. Yep, we took the L there. And the take profit trader, probably going to call them and go, we're going to swap over to the new test accounts. Take a break from them mojos for a minute.
battling VWAP right now.
Yeah. I got in a little early there. Should have waited. I like what Tide's doing right now. Volume's going back up. Just don't know if we can get all the way back up to where I want to be at. Let's move this bad boy up and we'll trail it if it runs. Not a huge fan so far though, but we got to get back above that 50. Get back above that 50. Calls inputs are coming back down a little now, but you got your volume still trending up. One trade and $300 in the test accounts.
Wow.
That quick. Fuck life.
Tell you.
What the hell? Ain't this some shit? Well, the reason, if you anybody, since nobody's watching, if you're wondering why I looked at the 15, because I wanted my stop on that 15-minute candle. Making sure that was it. So when you start trailing, if you trail the 5-minute, you trail a little too close. Ideally, the 10-minute would be the one you really want to trail, but since we don't have a 10-minute here, we're going to do the 15-minute. $313.75. You got to be kidding me. Now we sit and wait on the other ones. We might take another, try to creep back on our take profit on our pro accounts. If we break the 200 here, we're probably fuck it, we're not letting this turn red again, so we're gonna put it there. We're guaranteed 87.50. We got some of it back. You can't get it all back at once. Puts, look at puts and calls. My gosh. How annoying is that shit? Look at that volume too.
Yeah.
Shit. All right, Roy. We've been on 30 minutes and we've got 0 people in here so far. So what do we do? Actually, I'm gonna move this. Oh, we're gonna leave it there. Fuck it.
That was one heck of a candle.
Yep. Yeah, you want to see some continuation. You want to see this break of this 200, and you want to see
Right.
it go at least that high day
Mm-hmm.
or that top of our zone. So excuse me, maybe even pre-market high, which is
Mm-hmm.
73. The puts just fell off a cliff.
Yeah.
Hmm. That's 63. All right, Roy, give me a minute. I'm gonna walk out for 1 second. You can
Yep.
talk to. Actually, I'm just gonna leave this up because nobody's here. So
Yeah. Somebody
see me,
pops on. I'll
see me walk out, and we'll all back in.
all right.
And I can also talk to you and all back in early. If I hit something good, I can be yelling. You can hear me.
Yeah, that's true. All right, we'll take a look at Mag 7 and what have you. I'll try and keep the show going. So we got Apple slightly flat. We got Nvidia was all the way down to about the 111 area, 110.50. Just bounced $2. Microsoft 390. Google 164. Amazon pushing up at 202. Meta pushing up at 610. Tesla went on a ripper from the lows. Jumped $15 from the pre-market low. And Netflix is pushing up. So you've got kind of a bullish look around Mag 7. So as we kind of keep looking around, Bitcoin's kind of hanging out. Nothing crazy there. TLT continues to drop. Gold is pushing higher. That's a little bit of a factor. SPY's at 569. Oh, there's a good push up here. Something just popped up. So we see ES now breaking 57.62. So that is right on top of the 20-day moving average is where it currently sits. The top of our zone is about 57.70, so still about 8 points away, 7 points away. So if it can push up there, Monty's not here. I know he's listening. 5-day moving average is 57.76. So we'll see how it handles this 20-day. This is kind of like the unsure zone is when it breaks over, when it kind of stays in between the 20 and the 5. But as you see a little bit of a pullback here as it hit the 20-day moving average. Did not like that at all. At all. So let's see. So you do have a candle by candle to the upside on the 10-minute. So objectively, you could enter along here. Let's flip over to Tide. You've got puts kind of dropping, call premium kind of dropping, a little uptick in put premium, a little downtick in call premium. So that was a 10-point rejection off of that 20-day moving average. And now this candle, what looked, well, still have a candle by candle. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, technically still there. You see the bounce off of VWAP was the big one. You have the 8 popping up here on the 10. On the 5-minute, you're testing the 50 right now. Let's see if you can get. You got a lot of cluster here at the 50, the VWAP, the 8. Orb highs right below there. So there's a lot of activity right here. Welcome back.
Yeah. Thought I was coming back to a green day, and I'm not. Now the question is, do you take a long down here?
I mean, I like it personally, so that means you probably shouldn't.
Actually, I like it too. Move your ass all the way up there. Holy shit at the puts now.
Yeah. Fuck.
Yeah. That is not good. Well, today is not my day.
Yeah, I'm not having a good day.
We still have nobody in the stream either, Roy.
It's just not a good day all around for us.
No. It is not.
Yeah, you had that candle with the big wick. You're hoping. I was hoping. Get some support.
Hopium. Hopium's the worst thing we can have.
Yeah, I can. 57, 57. It's been just kind of this battleground.
Yeah. Still, we're watching this 200. 200 is the key for a break. If we can get that 200 break, then we can get something good, but it just can't break it no matter how hard it's tried. It can't break it and close and then get any momentum past it.
It's also the 20-day moving average. So they are right on top of each other.
And you got anchor VWAP at 43.
Yikes.
I don't like that.
Well, we're above it.
We are above it. There's a positive. That's about the only positive thing we got going for us right this second. And we are kind of flagging up here a little.
Yeah. I mean, pop this thing.
Yeah. It's just, I mean, it gets close to this 200 now. This time, and just, nah. We're going to struggle here at it. What is that green, that turquoise line there on top step? That is settlement. Oh, that's yesterday's close. Makes sense. That's where it's kind of holding at. every time your calls start to get a little more momentum again, which from earlier, it had a lot of momentum on this move up, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then every time now, when you get any little momentum at all, it turns right back down all of a sudden. It's not following through. So that's where we're at. That's what we're dealing with, folks. What we're dealing with. Just nothing. Just nothing. Just nothing. All right, we got a little bit back on Take Profit Trader here. Probably went a little bit more than we should have on it, but you know what?
YOLO.
I mean, it just can't follow through once it gets up there again. So you do have the rule of three.
Okay.
So typically, when you test a level the third time, typically, not all the time, then you get that breakout. So this is our third time testing this damn 200 here.
Well, that's pretty accurate when my wife does that to me.
There you go.
Yeah.
Now it's backing it up. You folks don't know what the hell you're missing here. And there, you got to be kidding me. It still got to hold it, but I mean, if it shit holds, you're like, what? You got to be.
Whoa!
This is a joke, right? This is a joke. This is a joke. This is definitely a joke. There's no way this shit's working out like that. We're gonna move this up to a little bit of profit, not much. Just not letting this thing turn red on us. You know, the dumb thing about all this shit is if we hit 73, that's a big L. But if we hit 73, my take profit trader will be back to even on this day.
Just crazy.
Of course, now we got the zone we got to go through. CBD is actually positive 1,000 now, Roy. What a fucking day. What a fucking day. I need everybody to just shut the fuck up. Nobody say anything.
Nobody say a damn word.
I need Trump to stay off Truth Social, whatever the hell it is, and just not do anything. All right? Not do a damn thing. And then we can go to that pre-market high. It is funny. So I just talked about the power of three, right? And then it then broke it on the third attempt. I was like, you got to be shitting me. This. We overthink so much stuff sometimes.
It's insane. It really is.
You know what's even more insane is we had a long earlier that we got stopped out of.
Right, and that it nuked my small XFA.
Oh no!
Yeah, no, I had it going too. We'd be like, we'd be up.
That's the one you've been giving updates on?
Yeah. Because I got hit on shortening the hole.
Yeah.
And then I was like, all right, I'm going to go long. I'm going to go little, 5 MES. And it got me.
Well.
Oh, well.
I mean, it's never a good thing to lose an account, but it also takes a little pressure off of you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I'm sure you felt the pressure on that little account trying to keep it.
Every trade, right? Yeah. You only get.
But.
I have so much wiggle room.
Yeah, you had the power of the jinx of the Discord yesterday because they was talking about how you was making other boys look bad.
Yeah. So I'll make sure. Actually, I'm going to do that right now. Maybe that'll bring some viewers.
Hey, Roy Easy, you screwed me, dog.
Yeah, thanks for Easy.
Thanks for the jinx. Thanks for the reverse jinx, G. I mean, look how close we're getting to this damn 7,300 now.
Yeah.
We're not far. I mean, you got to think we're at least going to see this 70, 50 area, 70, 50 area. That should be, let's double check to make sure. Last week's high. So I'm going to be last week's high there. That very well could be a place of issue. There's what this is my target here, though. If we can hit 73, I will be a happy boy. A happy boy. What was that? I'm a happy boy. Just a happy boy. What is that?
I know what you're referring to. I just don't know specifics. Did you see the Happy Gilmore 2 trailer?
I did. I see it. I watched it like 20 times.
Yeah. I'm pleasantly surprised.
Did you? I saw a thing, John Daly. They asked him, he's in it.
Yeah.
And they asked him about it. He was like, look, when Adam calls for Happy Gilmore, you got to say yes. Have you done that before? No. But it's Adam Sandler and Happy Gilmore. I'm a golfer. I got to say yes. Like, hell yeah, you do. You don't have a choice, bro. We're going to get 168 back here no matter what. So if it comes back and takes us, we'll just find us another entry. We seem to be good at doing that once we figure everything out. And look, in our defense this morning, we had everything saying that we were trading the right way. So
yeah,
we did what we did. If I had to do it all over again, would I do it all over again? Probably. So, and if I knew that it was going to not work out, I wouldn't have. But without knowing that, yes, you just keep taking it. We had zero viewers today. You sure we're streaming?
Yeah, I mean, it says live. I did the link, I believe.
I got a thing here saying you are now live.
Yeah.
Email, so. All this bullshit, I'm $100 down and take profit trader right now. If this somebody would just pop this area right here, I would cut this and call it day and them and be happy.
Top of the zone. How about breaking the bottom of the zone by 20 points and then coming up to test the top of the zone?
No shit, right?
That is.
Who had that on
Something.
the bingo card? I did
Yeah.
not. I just need to break through this zone. And I would prefer we didn't wait 3 times before we did it. I'd like to go and do it now. Volume is still very green on Spy Tide. Very green. You are getting your puts are curling up a little. CBD is right at positive 2,000 now, though. We need to break above it. Okay, there it went above 2,000. Get right up here at this last week's high, and that's where we're going to struggle. Right at the top of our zone. You got too much shit working all at one spot right there.
Mm-hmm.
Just break it. Just break it. Just go and break it. There you go. There you go.
Wow.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I need 1 point. Come on, give me 75. Give me 75. Give me 75. Well, we got 256 back guaranteed on that one.
Nice.
Give me 75 real quick, and then take profit trader will be done for the day. Come on, don't there it is.
There it is. Yeah.
Up and take profit trader. That's the hardest $26 I get in my life.
Wow. What a move.
We're guaranteed 356 back now on this one. You hear what I'm doing there? That is not me.
I hear it. Yeah.
Exiting. Oh, baby. I will take that. That's a win. That's a fucking win. 26.25. It ain't shit for most people. By God, it's a day for me.
Yeah.
Well, you take that, and then I got $300 out of my test accounts over there. I mean, whatever the hell they are.
Mm-hmm.
So we are almost a full green day.
Pretty good.
Yeah, this comes back. We'll probably, I don't know. If it comes back, we might add that long again. 3,200 CVD. Make it 3,300 CVD. Yeah. I could see 80 on the horizon up there, but
Yeah.
I don't know. It's probably going to take me out first, which is okay. Yep, here it is. All right, now we got to think. Do we add back down here? I might just miss my spot there. But I just missed my spot there. $3,400 CBD.
on that red candle there in the middle on that drop.
Yeah.
I had 2 ES and an XFA long. I took it for $200 pretty quickly.
Well, $200, $200. What are you
200
doing
bucks
swapping?
is good.
What are you messing with ES for?
I know. I was on tilt, mate. I was
Don't
like,
go
I
on
just
tilt.
need my
Leave tilt alone.
just need my $200 and I was out. And then I look at it. I had my original take profit was a pre-market high, which is like $1,400. Well, that's a bit greedy.
I'm like, no. And it's like, no. What you gonna do here? You gonna bounce up? You gonna take out? What you gonna do here? There goes calls again.
Yeah, I mean it came back, basically tapped the top of the zone. Had a 6-point bounce off of it, 7-point bounce off of it. Now it's kind of lingering.
Yeah. CVD is 4,000.
Oh my gosh, Tesla is up 5.5%.
Wow. Wow. 4,200. Roy, I couldn't let it go. I had to make $100. I'm $105 up and take private trade now on 3 accounts.
Awesome.
I just couldn't. I couldn't let it go. I couldn't stop at $26. It just me just would not allow that.
Yeah.
And you know what? Fuck it. Now I am done today. That is done. $100. That's $300 in the bank. In the bank at payout staff. If I want to take $300 out of that, take $300 out of that. I'm not going to. If I want to, I could do it. All right. Well, today has been an eventful day. Excuse me. All these people not watching would have been entertained.
Today was a tough one for us. We got your money's worth if you watched it, but nobody did. So
to all our homies that watch this later, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Might get a pullback of this zone here.
Yeah, if you do. I mean,
I'm gonna add 5 to it if we do. Getting a decent pullback on your calls here. Volume is still really good on SPY. Really good. I mean, we've seen it get here, and this is pretty much where it stays at all day. I mean, it's decent volume.
yeah, your general market is pretty bullish.
Look at holdings. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah. I think a lot of that is your Mag 7.
Tesla.
Yeah. Tesla. Tesla, Nvidia. Yeah, Microsoft's green, Amazon's green, up 1%. So
I was looking at SPY data. Let's go to holdings. Where does it show, Roy, your top movers?
Oh, that's going to be on
General market, right?
Yeah, so /flow/overview and
Tesla.
unusualrows.com.
Fucking Tesla. Meta, NVIDIA. Yep. And Tesla by a landslide, by the way.
Yeah, look at NVIDIA. That one's pretty interesting.
It is, but it's not Tesla. My gosh. That's
Yeah,
100 million Tesla?
yeah, 91. But your NVIDIA, your net call is negative.
Market sentiment. I didn't know they had this on the market sentiment gauge is on here now. It's neutral. Yours is set up different than mine for some reason.
Yeah, they got a chat now. Did you see that?
Oh, I see that. Ain't that something? Oh, you got Snorlax talking in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Yeah. That damn volume is just insane on Market Tide.
Yeah. Well, I'll take inputs. We're gonna test this.
I want to see some kind of support before I do anything here, though. Well, all right, now bounce. I don't like my candles being that fat. Looks like that's not true trading when your candles are fat.
I agree.
It's crazy, and it just that little thing right there, like
Yep.
just didn't look right to me.
Yeah.
Let's see what kind of best customer coupons I have from Kroger now. Oh, there's too many to go see. Let's see. Let's clip the coupon and see what the coupons are. Well, right back to where I just added at. Don't like that. I don't like how puts are popping and volume did come down.
Mm-hmm. Could get a test of that 8. Got a lot of cluster right there.
Ooh.
Or it could just test the top of the zone and bounce right up.
Why you gotta say something for? Well, you gotta put this jinx on me, Ricky Bobby.
I'm in a long too, so you're double fucked.
Well, damn. Coupons. Let's see what kind of coupons we got. You can double your fuel points on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Okay.
That's why I shop on the weekends. Best customer bonus, I can save 40 cents on sour cream. I can save $1.20 on private select hamburger meat. Save $1 on bacon. They always give me that dollar on bacon. And I use it.
Yeah, you have to now. Bacon's super pricey.
$1.20 on Kroger brand frozen snacks, which if you've never tried, they have a little potato bite that is fantastic, by the way. Save $1 on home fresh if I want to do some ready cooked meals. Hey, free jumbo biscuits. That's a good coupon.
All right.
Come on, rip up. I see calls ripping, I see volume ripping, I see puts coming down. Go. Roy, we've been an hour. Nobody's here. Let's call it and talk about this amongst ourselves.
All right. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it for those. Wow, it's the last show of the week, too.
It is the last show of
See
the
you
week.
Monday.
All day. What the hell?
Yeah, I guess some of you guys. Well, see you Monday. We'll chat on Discord. I put my sins on there so you guys can entertain that one. But,
All right, guys.
alrighty.
Peace out. See you Monday. Hopefully, we finish the Green Bay green. We'll see.
Yeah. All right.
Love you
Bye,
guys. See you
guys.
later.